One of the biggest things I get in freak out situations, a phone call, 8 o'clock at night, my boat won't start. There's a couple things that typically it would be, and they're very simple fixes. First of all, boat, turn the key, boat won't start. First thing would be this switch down here, okay? As soon as this lanyard's very important, and this is in a pontoon, in a towboat, it doesn't matter. It has to be clipped back behind here, it creating a little bit of a gap there. If this is pushed in or this lanyard's removed, your boat will not start. If you touch it, tap it, you hear that beep, that means the boat will not start. So I've had people reach down for a beverage and hit it, kills the boat. That's what it's meant to do. It's a kill switch. So if your boat turns off or boat won't start, don't freak out. You don't have to text your dealer at 9 at night. This could be a very simple fix. The next biggest thing, and trust me, I've seen this hundreds of times, the throttle not being in the neutral position. It's very easy for people to shut off their boat when their throttle's still in a forward position. You want to make sure it's clicking, and you can move it back and forth, but it's locking forward and back to the neutral position. I've had numerous people call me in the evening and their boat wouldn't start, and all it was as simple as moving that throttle to the neutral position. Thanks for watching. We hope this video is helpful. What we're looking at here is typically a 2018 and newer. We've seen this on a few boats where the ignition relay, the fuel pump relay has not had good connection, and the relay has burnt out or just needs the connectors to be tightened. So you can see we're under the engine compartment here. I've removed this engine cover just for easier access. You can see here it's starter relay, ignition relay, fuel pump relay. We pinch these two tabs here and this will pop off. You can pull this out and look, make sure that you don't have any black or burnt connectors that go into the pins, and make sure they're clasped well so that you're getting a good connection. If you see anything that's burnt here, it's likely that the relay has burnt out or has arced, and you'll need to talk to your dealer to get that replaced. There are a couple options now. Instead of doing an entire wire harness replacement, you can do external relays that are approved by PCM, and your dealer would know that. But that's one of the places to check if your boat turns over but will not start.